Hi guys, I am Riya
And I am Kushdeep
and you are watching the Suburban Foodie. So first of all, happy Friendship Day to all of you. As you must have read by the title, the video is going to be a BFF telepathy challenge.
If you guys don't know what BFF telepathy challenge is, it's basically where two people are given several options to choose from and they have to end up choosing as many similar options as possible.
So talking about our friendship, we have been friends from over 6 years. So we know each other since nursery, but we became BFFs in 10th grade. So we were in the same school and we were in the same classes as well, and we were in the same degree college too. Also our brothers are freshmen, even they were in the same school, even our fathers are friends. So yeah, that's pretty much about our friendship.
So we better pass this challenge because if we don't, 2 minutes of silence for Nonu Monu. Now please don't ask us what that is. So after giving it a lot of thought and after lots of discussions, we have decided that we will be making pancakes. So I know for a fact that Riya absolutely loves sweets. So I really hope that we pass this challenge. Fingers crossed.
So I'm really worried about this challenge because Kushdeep absolutely hates sweets. Okay, I said that. Let's just pretend she's not my BFF. So let's start. So the first choice which we have is if we are making a healthy pancake or a non-healthy pancake. So Kushdeep is not really a health freak, nor I am a health freak, but somewhat Karthik is influencing over my life and he wants me to try healthy food. But I'm going to be using maida today.
Now, I am not a person who follows a healthy diet. So keeping that in mind, I really hope that Riya chooses the unhealthy option, that is to choose making a pancake using maida. This is the only choice which I am really concerned where we'll choose two different things, because rest of them I think we'll figure out, but this is one of the difficult ones.
So the second choice which we have is the egg versus eggless. I don't know why we have this option because it's Shravan, guys. I can't eat eggs.
I know for a fact that Riya has Shravan month going on. Actually, we shouldn't have kept this option only, but never mind. So I know she's going for eggless pancakes.
Coming to the third choice, the flavor, that is chocolate or vanilla. So this is a really tricky one, guys, because Kushdeep hates sweets but she loves dark chocolate. So I don't know if I should choose chocolate, but I'll choose chocolate because I want to eat chocolate.
But as I know both of us, I think given a choice, we will both opt for chocolate pancakes instead of vanilla pancakes.
And the fourth choice which we have is the mini pancakes or the regular pancakes. I know Kushdeep won't go to such extent to make pancakes because she hates cooking.
Now I know if it were up to Riya, she would go to make mini pancakes. But I also know that she knows that I am very lazy. So in normal circumstances, I will make normal pancakes. And I think keeping this in mind, Riya is going to make normal pancakes, which is why even I will be making normal pancakes. Was this too much?
Coming to the toppings, we have three categories. The first is the banana and chocolate shavings. So I'm making a chocolate pancake, so chocolate shavings. Then we have honey and chocolate sauce, or like chocolate ganache. So I'll be choosing chocolate ganache because chocolate pancakes, obviously. Okay, so lastly we have the option of dry fruits or no dry fruits. So I know that Kushdeep makes smoothies of dry fruits, so I'll be choosing dry fruits and I'll be using almonds. So yeah.
Pancakes are ready, as you can see. The next choice is to choose between honey or chocolate syrup as a topping. So I'll be choosing chocolate syrup because I am not as fond of sweet and adding honey will make it sweeter. This is dark chocolate ganache that I have over here. This isn't as sweet as the normal chocolate syrup would be. So let's add this. So the next choice is to choose between banana as topping or shredded chocolates as topping. Now I know that both of us will want both of them as topping, but given if we have to choose one, so we'll go for shredded chocolates. So now that this is done, our next option was to choose whether to add dry fruits or no dry fruits. I love dry fruits and so does Ria. So I'm pretty sure both of us are going to end up adding dry fruits. So here we go. Hi! Show your pancakes. अरे see! Normal size. Chocolate syrup. What else? Dry fruits?
वो shredded use किया?
Yes. Dry fruits.
Yes. Yes. Can you see?
Yeah, I can.
Eggless है या egg वाला?
Eggless, of course, श्रावण चालू है.
Oh yes. And a flour?
मैदा. Please say मैदा.
Yeah.
Did you get it? I said please say मैदा.
Yeah.
I said please say मैदा.
Oh yes, it's maida.
Did we get all correct?
Yeah.
So-
Wait. Did we miss anything? Bro, mini pan.
Normal size.
Yeah.
I'm so happy we had passed this. I was really concerned regarding size of the pancake and whether you're going to make healthy or unhealthy one. So I was like, Ria knows I am not somebody who follows a healthy diet, so she'll choose maida.
Yes, I said that in the video.
I am so happy.
I was confused with the chocolate or the vanilla flavor because I know you hate both. Like you.
Yeah. So I said, given a choice, we will choose chocolate.
What?
I said, given a choice, we will choose chocolate.
Yes. Yeah.
Because vanilla would be very plain.
Very plain. Yeah, and I would like to say banana or skipper, but I.
Exactly same.
Yeah.
I am so happy.
Dry fruits I was pakka sure because you drink milkshake of dry fruits, so I was pakka like sure you're gonna use dry fruits. So और कुछ stuff ना.
No, I think that's all.
Let's taste it.
Yeah. I'm already holding a fork in my hand. So let's go.
Okay. Yeah. First bite.
Yes, queen. I already ate.
I did not eat.
No, I was really keen to know how it tastes, and it's very nice. Like it turned out to be very nice. Like it's higher than my expectations.
It's really good.
Alright. I am so glad that we passed the test. In fact, pass seems like an understatement because we clearly nailed it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Suburban Foodie and follow us on our social media. The links will be in the description box below.
If you guys want us to do more such videos, please do comment down below. Till then, bye!